So the JD challenge this week was that Johnny has 8 photos. He wants to give one to Bella. He asks her 3 questions to help him select the best picture. Do you want a photo with a beach umbrella? Yes. Do you want a photo where I wear something on my head? No. Do you want a photo where you can see the sea? Yes. Which photo should Johnny give to Bella? So we need to think about the questions that were asked, and we need to start to eliminate the pictures which do not meet what they want. So, do you want a photo with the beach umbrella? Yes. So we need to get rid of any pictures which do not have a beach umbrella. So we get rid of B and D. So we're left with A, C and E. Do you want a photo where I wear something on my head? No. A, he has something worn on his head, so we need to get rid of A. So now we're left with C and E. Do you want a photo where you can see the sea? Yes. We can't see the sea in C, so that leaves us with E. So in this case, the answer was E. We can do the elimination in any order we want, we would still end up with the same result. So well done if you got that one correct. Our Year 4 to 6 challenge was Beaver created a beetle robot which can move from one square to another one following the arrows. The beetle robot starts at one of the entrances on the left. The robot moves in the direction indicated by the arrows for as many squares as there are arrows. For example, 1 square if there is 1 arrow, 2 squares if there are 2 arrows, etc. When the robot is moving, he ignores the arrows on the squares. Which starting entrances allow the robot to reach the finish? So we want to try each of these out and see how we get, and if we're able to get to the finish line. So if we start off with 1, we'd move 2 squares this way, 2 squares back, and obviously we're back to square 1. And we'll constantly be going through this loop. We'd never come out of this loop. So 1, it would not be one that would take us to the finish. So that would mean that answers A and D are not correct. Let's try entrance 2. So move down 2 squares, 1, 2, move to the right 1, 3 up, 1, 2, 3, 2 across, 2 down, 1 left, 1 down, 2 right. So then we've come to the finish. So entrance number 2 has worked. Let's try number 3. So we go to the right 1, up, right, up, 2 to the right, 2 to the left, 2 to the right, and again we're back in the same loop as number 1. So again, 3 would not be correct. So that would mean that we wouldn't have answer A, or answer B, or answer C, or answer D. So E seems to be the only one correct at the moment. Let's try entrance 4. So we move right 1, 3 up, 1, 2, 3, 2 across, 2 down, 1 left, 1 down, 2 right. And so that worked. So 2 and 4 were the 2 entrances that worked. Well done if you got that correct. And our final challenge was the Year 7 to 8 challenge, where Beaver has laundry with 2 separate machines for washing and drying. Both machines have a half-hour operating cycle, so each customer needs 60 minutes. We have the washing machine for 30 minutes and then the dryer for 30 minutes. 2 beavers arrive in a hurry. They need to wash and dry their clothes as quickly as possible. How many minutes is it going to take to wash and dry clothes for 2 beavers? So we need to think Beaver A would come, wash their clothes for 30 minutes, and then put their clothes into the dryer for 30 minutes. Whilst Beaver A's clothes are drying, Beaver B can put their clothes in the washing machine for 30 minutes. So after 60 minutes, we have Beaver A has their clothes washed and dried, and Beaver B has their clothes washed. They would then put their clothes into the dryer for another 30 minutes, so in a total of 90 minutes, their clothes would have been cleaned. So the answer was C, 90 minutes to have 2 beavers to wash and dry their clothes. Well done if you got that one correct.